How you doing, everybody? And welcome to NinjaToons, where the martial arts meets the creative arts. I'm Michael Voog, the Art Ninja, and did you know that you could draw anything using 3 simple lines? We're about to find out how in this week's 2-minute tip. Now cue that intro. So drawing doesn't have to be that complicated. Really, it comes down to learning how to draw 3 simple lines. And you've probably heard me referencing these lines in past videos. Those lines are a straight line, a C curve, and an S curve. So really, what are these lines? A straight line doesn't mean you get out a ruler and you draw a perfectly straight line. Drawing a straight line requires a little hand-eye coordination. So one way to practice drawing a straight line is to put one dot on the side of your paper, draw a dot on the other side of your paper, and simply try to connect the dots, sliding your hand across your paper in one fluid motion. Let your hand guide the pencil rather than sketching small, sketchy lines to connect the dots. So this is one of the first things you're going to need to know as you're drawing some of our basic characters, is the straight line. Now the C curve, you can utilize the same exercise. Draw a dot on the top of your paper, a dot on the bottom of your paper, and then again, using your hand, the side of your hand, to guide your pencil to connect the dots using a C curve. So in school, we're really used to drawing the letter C a particular way. But as we create these drawings, you're gonna learn how to draw a C curve in all different types of directions. So it's an important skill to practice. Now the last line is the S curve. And it's the most complicated of the 3 lines to draw, but it is the most aesthetically pleasing. So you can use the same exercise that you did in drawing a straight line and a C curve by drawing a dot at the top of your paper and at the bottom of your paper. And now connect those dots, sliding your hand across your paper, drawing the letter S. Now give yourself a challenge. Draw a dot at the top of your paper and at the bottom of your paper, and now draw a backwards S. Use that same technique of sliding your hand across the paper and see if you can create a mirror image of the S you created just seconds ago. And that's your 2-minute tip for Tuesday. How to draw anything using 3 simple lines. Your straight line, your C curve, and your S curve. And make sure you look for them in our future lessons. And if you really like this video, let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to punch that like button. Have a great week, everybody. Draw a dot at the top of your paper. Draw a dot at the top of your paper again. And don't forget to punch that subscribe button. No, the like button. But also don't forget to subscribe. Oh, come on.